But my hands will be strong. By the hand of the Almighty, we fallen in this generation triumphantly. What you can be saying? These songs of freedom, these songs of freedom. It's all I ever had. Redemption song, redemption song, redemption song. That's the sound of sunshine, of sunshine. Particle del sole, particle del sole, particle del sole. That's the sound, that's the sound of sunshine. You know that I have a brother that lives on the other side of the world. You know? And I feel it like my brother, like part of my own body and blood and family. And thank you for teaching me a lot of things. And spreading this amazing energy. MFranti. Come state ragazzi? Come ve la passate?